So let's have a look at the piano keyboard and compare it to the bass fretboard. So I'm in front of the piano keyboard now, and as you can see, there are 7 keys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And all music comes from these 7 keys. Now, what are these black keys? The black keys are called sharps or flats, and it depends whether you're going up or down. So if I go up from this C note here, this black key becomes a C sharp. If I go down from this D note here, this black key becomes a D flat. So these black keys can have 2 names depending on whether you're going up or down. Now, it's important to understand the piano keyboard because it's going to make music theory a lot easier to understand. So now let's compare this to the bass fretboard because you'll see it's actually the same thing. So I got my 4-string bass guitar here, and as you can see, the layout of the bass fretboard is entirely different from the piano keyboard, but it's actually the same thing. So I can play the same 7 notes on my bass. As I just did on the piano. Now, what's the difference? On the piano, we have black keys. On the bass fretboard, we don't have any keys at all. But we still have to act as if those black keys are there. So if I play the major scale, which I just did on the piano keyboard, but I play it on the bass, every time I skip a fret on the fretboard, I'm actually skipping a black key. All right, so let's do that again. So here I skip a fret, and on the piano, it's exactly the same thing. So you should look at your bass as 4 pianos. So each string is a piano, and you can play it from the beginning all the way down to the end of the fretboard. And each string is a piano starting on a different note. So this one here starts on E, this one starts on A, this one starts on D, and this one starts on G. So even though there are no physical black keys on the bass fretboard, we still have to account for the black keys by skipping a fret, because the layout of the piano keyboard is consistent in all of music and all instruments, and understanding that is going to make it a lot easier.